Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Insider. In this video, we will show you how to restore an old, rusted, kitchen knife.
How heavy is that? Light work and the bass on the track, on my face in the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink.
First we will clean the knife with water, and then remove the rust using a sandpaper. Then, we will grind the surface, using an angle grinder. Now, we are going to apply the cut polish compound on the surface. You can use any type of cut polish compound available in the market. After applying the cut polish compound on both sides, need to let it dry for 15 minutes. Now we are going to insert a non-woven polishing disc into the angle grinder. And then, we will polish the surface, using the angle grinder with polishing disc. After finish polishing, we will cover the blade of the knife, using a paper. Then we will spray black color paint on the handle of the knife. After spray, let it dry for 30 minutes. Now we have our knife, almost looks like a new one. If you like the content, please subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you with another video.
Catch 'em all.